It's so good. Yum.
Does it taste like it tastes in Czechia?
Little bit, but this is so mild, this cheese.
It's Gouda.
Yeah, but this is so good. I like it.
Okay. Yeah, tastes like Smažený syrup. It's a little bit different than what I have been eating in Czechia. Maybe it's a different cheese. But it's good. It's good. I think this Gouda cheese, quite many years ago I was in a restaurant Uusadu, and there's 3 types of different cheese Smažený syrup, and I'm not sure, but I think one might be Gouda. This might taste similar to what I ate there. Maybe not, but